What is going on? Welcome back to Trending Stocks. Today I'm going to give you a pre-market update, go over what's trending and everything else you need to know. But first, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Always greatly appreciate that. And with that said, let's get right to it. So starting off, Fear and Greed Index is at 76. So you will want to see the broader market propel a lot of riskier assets a little bit higher, especially with Bitcoin rallying. So it is at about 45.5, up 6.64%. So in turn, you are going to see a lot of mining stocks rallying today, even though the last trading day of the year and on last Friday they did sell off. You are going to see in turn mining stocks just skyrocket today as a result. And of course, some of the trending stocks so far, a lot of them are associated to cryptocurrency. So number one right now, based on the percentage change and the volume, is Marathon, ticker's MARA. Of course, this company is somewhat heavily shorted, so around 19.6% of the free float being shorted. So you might see some shorts close out their positions somewhat. Through Interactive Broker, short availability does indicate that it has a very low cost to borrow. So that's going to play a part into the bigger picture today. But one thing to really watch for with Marathon is 27.88. You need it to break above that. If not, it might actually retrace back down into the 24.03. So 24.03 is going to be a very strong support, and then 27.88. But it does have a hell of a lot of momentum right now. So potentially it could break above this 27.88. And if it does, then you'll really want to watch that $30.25. But moving on from that though, there's also VYGR, so ticker VYGR. So this company actually does have news out, so that's why it is up about 31.87% pre-market. And that news right here is VYGR Therapeutics enters into a license agreement. So once again, it's hard to really pinpoint on how much this is essentially worth long term, but typically a lot of these companies based on the market cap, because you can even see VYGR does have a 371 mil market cap, assuming that's correct. But typically smaller market cap companies do tend to rally fairly hard with that kind of news. It's shown that in the past that it does have a lot of good momentum to get to around the $13 range. One thing to watch for with VYGR is going to be at that 11.38. So you'll really want to watch for that to kind of get above that. So that's going to be a very strong resistance. If not, it might retrace to 9.49 or more of that $10 psychological support / resistance. So those are some things to kind of watch for. Of course, VYGR just looking isn't that heavily shorted, so 6.51%. But aside from that though, the only other stock that I would really put on there is not trending based on the percentage change or whatever else, but bets. So this one I did do a dedicated video on, and it does have a very good opportunity to run to around 2 cents, especially with the latest Morningstar report as well saying 2 cents is more so the intrinsic value of that. Like, I feel like there's a lot of good upside. Then again, there is a lot of risks with Bit Brothers, so ticker is BETS, currently up 16.82% pre-market. Also on a side note, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys always do your own due diligence. But right now, as you can kind of see through bets, very small short interest, so it's not really being manipulated behind the scenes all that much. But some things to really watch for with that company is for it to run to around 2 cents. So let me know your thoughts. I do feel like today is going to be a very exciting day. First day of 2024. There isn't really any data points as well coming out that could really disrupt the broader market. Indexes and I guess the futures are down, but again today I think it's more so just riskier stocks are going to have their time of day. So let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Is there any other stocks that caught your interest that is trending, and why? Is it because of news or just piggybacking off of the broader market's appetite for risk? So what's your thoughts? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Always greatly appreciate that. And with that said, let's make a lot of money on whatever floats your boat.